So nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
A pleasure. Thank you.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for visiting our country.
Pleasure.
And thank you for all the good you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you
for receiving us today. So kind.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Askofu,
President.
how are you? You're keeping well? Amina.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And so now we brought him for a courtesy call.
Okay. I was actually preparing to come.
Yes.
I have
So
someone
we brought him so that
sit down somewhere.
and still we will have him tomorrow to talk
To you.
No, I'm the one who is coming to listen.
And I was so blessed and pleased. Continue to bless you and protect you.
Thank you.
I sense in my spirit that while you, because of you being in your office, when the prayer, all of us, for the future of this country, the Lord. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You, and we thank God for what.
I will see you at the stage.
I thought you were taller than this. Honestly,
Well, on TV, it will be different.
It's a giant.
You know? If there's anything, you know.
okay.
Yeah, because I'd like to talk to you
Okay.
afterwards, because
Okay.
we don't have much time. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Bless you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay. Asante sana. Oh. Okay. Asante sana. Haya. Tunakuja.